In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an Etsy shop. Whether you've decided that it's time to step away from selling on Etsy or you're moving your business in a different direction, I'll guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. It's important to note that you must use the desktop version for this task, as Etsy's mobile version doesn't support closing a shop. First, you'll need to log into Etsy.com on your computer. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on Shop Manager. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your Etsy store. Inside the Shop Manager, locate the Settings option. It's here where you'll find various controls related to your store's operations. Next, navigate to the Options tab under the Settings menu. Scroll through until you reach the Close Shop tab, typically the last tab on the right-hand side. Click on Close Shop to initiate the process. But before you proceed further, there are a few crucial things you need to check off to ensure a smooth closure. Make sure that all your open orders are either fulfilled or canceled. This will prevent any issues for your buyers and ensure customer satisfaction even as you close your shop. Additionally, double check that there are no unresolved cases or disputes associated with your account. It's essential to handle these matters beforehand so there are no outstanding issues left hanging. Furthermore, it's necessary to withdraw any available funds from your payment account. After closing, you won't have access to these funds through the shop, so it's crucial to settle this beforehand. Once you've ensured that all these requirements are met, continue with the closing process. Etsy will ask you for a reason for closing your shop. Common reasons include no longer selling on Etsy. Choose the option that best describes your situation. To finalize, confirm the closure by clicking on Close Shop one more time. And that's it, your Etsy shop is officially closed. It's important to note that while your shop is closed, your account remains active. This means you can still make purchases on Etsy or even reopen your shop in the future if you choose to return. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments below. Remember, this is a significant step in your business journey. So make sure that everything is in order before you finalize the closure. Good luck with your future endeavors, and if you need help navigating other aspects of Etsy, be sure to check out my other videos.